A start. There they go. They're up and pacing, leaving out Outlaw Positive Charge. La Fugere at the rail. Van Zandt is third to the turn. Matt Trapper tucked away fourth, and in fifth, Mocking the Sand. Capitalism is sixth, and Cam Coon seventh. Turning to the backstretch for time one. La Fugere, the leader. Outlaw Positive Charge about to take it away on the outside. Outlaw Positive Charge and Gallant clear the lead. La Fugere now is second. Pacing third at the rail is Van Zandt. Away in mid-pack fourth. That's Matt Trapper. Mocking the Sand. She goes fifth. Into the turn. Capitalism sixth. Cam Coon the trailer. 28 seconds flat. Big time opener. Put on the board by the Maritime Warrior. Outlaw Positive Charge down the lane for the first time. In the two-hole, it's La Fugere. Van Zandt goes third. Matt Trapper fourth. Now Mocking the Sand moving up on the outside fifth. Cam Coon will follow out sixth. Capitalism is the trailer seventh. They go to the paddock turn, the half up in 58 until Outlaw Positive Charge arriving at the 5/8 with the lead. On the rail, La Fugere second, Mocking the Sand on the outside, up to third. Van Zandt at the rail, now fourth. Cam Coon on the outside, he's fifth. Matt Trapper sixth, Capitalism seventh, less than a quarter of a mile to go, and it's Outlaw Positive Charge on the lead by 2. 3/4 in one. 28 and 2 at the 7/8. The Outlaw still leading it. La Fugere second. Van Zandt on the outside third. Matt Trapper fourth. They're in deep stretch now. Outlaw Positive Charge does it again. It's Outlaw Positive Charge and Gallant on the line with La Fugere and Van Zandt. The Maritime Warrior. Oh, wow. 1:56 and 2.